beauty routine. Incorporating strawberry seed oil into your daily regimen can transform your skin and hair. Strawberry seed oil is a cold-pressed oil derived from the seeds of strawberries. This gentle extraction method ensures that all the vital nutrients are preserved. The oil has a light, delicate scent that's both refreshing and uplifting. This golden-hued oil is a rich source of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid, and linoleic acid, an omega-6 fatty acid. These essential fatty acids are crucial for maintaining the skin's barrier function, locking in moisture, and promoting a healthy complexion. Additionally, strawberry seed oil is abundant in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from environmental damage. Strawberry seed oil is a true gift for your skin. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. This makes it an excellent moisturizer for all skin types, even those prone to oiliness. The oil's high concentration of essential fatty acids helps to strengthen the skin's natural barrier, preventing moisture loss and keeping it hydrated and supple. It also exhibits potent antioxidant properties, thanks to the presence of vitamin E and ellagic acid. These antioxidants combat free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. The benefits of strawberry seed oil extend beyond skincare. It's also a fantastic natural treatment for your hair. Its nourishing properties can transform dry, brittle strands into lustrous locks. The oil's omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, are known to promote hair growth and strengthen hair follicles. This can help reduce hair fall and breakage, leading to thicker, healthier hair. Additionally, strawberry seed oil can add shine, tame frizz, and condition the scalp, leaving your hair feeling soft and manageable. My strawberry seed oil journey. A personal anecdote. I'll admit I'm always on the lookout for natural ways to enhance my beauty routine. Over the years, I've tried countless products, from high-end serums to DIY masks, always searching for that perfect addition to my regimen. When I first heard about strawberry seed oil, I was intrigued. The idea of using something derived from one of my favorite fruits was fascinating. I did some research and found out that strawberry seed oil is packed with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamins, making it a powerhouse for skin and hair care. I decided to incorporate it into my skincare and hair care regimen, and the results have been amazing. Initially, I was a bit skeptical, but I was willing to give it a try. After all, what did I have to lose? I started by adding a few drops of strawberry seed oil to my moisturizer. I was careful not to overdo it, as I wanted to see how my skin would react. The first thing I noticed was the delightful, subtle scent of strawberries. It was like a mini spa experience every time I applied it. The oil absorbed quickly, leaving my skin feeling incredibly soft and hydrated. Unlike some other oils I've tried, it didn't leave a greasy residue. Instead, my skin felt nourished and smooth to the touch. After a few weeks, I noticed a significant improvement in my skin's texture and tone. The fine lines around my eyes seemed less noticeable, and my complexion looked more even. It was as if my skin had been given a new lease on life. It felt smoother, more even, and had a healthy glow. Friends and family started to comment on how radiant my skin looked, and I couldn't help but feel a boost in my confidence. Inspired by the results on my skin, I decided to try the oil on my hair. My hair has always been prone to frizz, especially in humid weather, so I was eager to see if strawberry seed oil could make a difference. I applied a small amount to my ends, and it worked wonders in taming frizz and adding shine. My hair felt softer and looked healthier. It was easier to manage, and the natural shine was a bonus. Now, strawberry seed oil is a staple in both my skincare and hair care routines. It's amazing how one simple ingredient can make such a big difference. facial moisturizer. It helps to lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and hydrated through. Skin and hair, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Section 7. Beyond the hype, scientific insights on strawberry seed oil. While personal anecdotes are valuable, it's essential to back up claims with scientific evidence. Studies have shown that strawberry seed oil possesses significant anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that strawberry seed oil effectively reduced skin inflammation and redness. Another study published in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science highlighted the oil's ability to protect the skin from UV-induced damage. Section 8. Strawberry seed oil, a versatile beauty elixir for all. One of the most remarkable things about strawberry seed oil is its versatility. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this oil can help balance and nourish your complexion. If you have acne-prone skin, the oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritation and redness. For those with mature skin, its antioxidant content can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Section 9. Embrace the natural glow, a final word. In a world saturated with synthetic ingredients, strawberry seed oil offers a refreshing and effective natural alternative. Its abundance of vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids makes it a true gift for your skin and hair. So why not embrace the power of nature and experience the magic of strawberry seed oil for yourself? Your skin and hair will thank you for it.